Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing well. Welcome to the channel QCC Guide. Today the topic of our video is how to set the units in the new drawing. First, we open a new drawing, click on new, then drawing, and then click open. In the command bar, insert, type UN and then click enter. Here we have the drawing setup. If you are using meters in the drawing unit, we click on the millimeter. But if you are using the feet in your drawing, you just need to click on the inches and then click apply and rescale the model space and the paper space objects. Make all the matches in the new units and then click apply. So we set our unit into units. We set our units in feet. Thank you for watching QCC Guide. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.